Hey, this is unusual. Yeah. So today we have the Nissan GTR Nismo GT3 Gran Turismo Hothwheels Premium Pop Culture Mix. Okay. So I got it for MRP from a local store. Yeah, it's good. It's pretty darn good. This is my first premium car unboxing. The first one I got is was the Skyline. I have not opened it yet because I've placed it somewhere. I'm not able to find it. Hopefully I find it. So I got this. I found this and I was like, okay, let's open this up. I'm also waiting to, from now onwards, weekly or something, I have to plan it. I have to unbox the mud cuts van. I also have the packing pacer and the MTV delivery. Yeah, so okay, well, those are the videos for some other day, and today we have this car. I want to unbox it and I will unbox it, however. Okay, so this is a Hot Wheels Premium. If you're new to this hobby, I would like to give some pointers. So this says real riders. It means the tires are rubber tires. It says metal/metal, so that means metal body and metal base. All right, and this is from the Gran Turismo PlayStation game edition, right? This is that. This is the pop culture. There are different types of premiums like Hot Wheels Bollywood, Hot Wheels like Soul, Hot Wheels this, Hot Wheels that, Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Premium. But this is the pop culture. Okay, and India is attracting more pop culture premiums rather than the Japan editions, the Street Slide, and the Bollywood edition. Also, much better editions. Yeah, I hope someday we get pretty cool cars. So today we have a very cool car in front of us. Okay, so let's crack it open. So if you are new to the channel, I have a history with unboxing cars. It's been many videos, but I don't think I still have learned a very efficient way to cut these blisters. See, I've damaged that. Okay, so officially this is my first premium car that is being uncarded, and as it is unboxed, oh my god, this is actually brilliant. It weighs slightly more than your usual mainlines and Silverline cars. Bro, this is absolute beautiful car. Wow. Okay, I need a minute to gather my thoughts. Okay, it's going too fast right now. I don't know where to start with. Just hold on a second. So yeah, coming back to this. Okay, so let's start with the sides. So this comes with the PlayStation livery on it. Okay, it says PlayStation. There's the PlayStation logo. It says Nissan Nismo, and this it says something else. What is it? I'm not able to read that. Above the 23 badging. Okay, well, that's fine. And here we have some logo. I don't know what is that either. Okay, but looks very premium. The livery, the details on it, and just take a second to look into this. Just take a second. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. She's absolutely gorgeous, right? Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, now the light is fine, I guess. Okay, so we can see this metal spoiler here. It says Nismo right here. Coming at the back, we have the Nismo badging, and we have very nice detailed tail lamps. Good tempo work here. I don't know where the exhaust details are. Okay, but the paint details are very nice. They're nicely done. Yep. And on the other side also we have the same PlayStation logo 23 badging Nissan Nismo, right? It has rear view mirrors on both sides. Yeah. And yeah, nice detailing they have done here. On the front we have on the hood we have the 23 badging, the same that we saw on the doors. Acrylic lights. Okay, nice embossing on the hoods. We have the front lip here, and that's the Nissan GTR badging. Yep, nice detailed front grille. Very nice. You can see this arrow here. They have not missed anything here. So on the top we have this racing stripe, red color, which goes from the top to the hood. We have the Nismo badging right here. Okay, I think I can show you the interiors. It is, more than smoke black tint we have here on this car. It is actually black. So wheels, these are the wheels. These are the 6-spoke black dot wheels. Yep, these are rubber tires. Okay, front and back. We have the chrome. Yeah, we have the chrome rims on this one. This is the base, right? It says Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. Okay, Hotwheels badging here. This is a metal base. Gloss black, piano black, sort of black, but gloss. So this was the beautiful car here. Let me change the camera angle now real quick. In all its glory, the Nissan Nismo GT3. Yeah. So yep, this is a very cool, interesting car, and we have talked about it a lot now. I think it's time for the roll test. Let's see how it rolls. Mind that this is a very heavy car. Okay, metal base and metal body. Okay, it weighs very nicely, and even the rubber tires. So I think the roll test should be good. I don't know, I'm giving it a whirl for the first time. What? Okay, not fast. Absolutely shocking that it is not fast. Okay, not shocking, because the weight will bring it down. There is some wheel wobble, some amount, even in the premium cars. Okay, I don't mind that, but this one looks absolutely stunning. If you find it anywhere at MRP, that is 549 rupees, please get this. It is one of a kind for your collection. Okay, I am really happy that I got it, right? And yeah, so that is pretty much it. So also on the side note, and a small important note, is that there's a comparison video coming up between Hothwheels Premium and Majorette Premium. So stay subscribed for that and hit that bell notification so you know when the video is live. Okay, and as far as this video goes, I think we'll conclude this video. We've talked a lot about it. More premium cars coming up. Okay, and I'll leave you all with this beautiful cars, beautiful look. Cool. So until next time, do take very good care of yourselves. Happy collecting and stay happy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh wow, such a beautiful car. Every angle is so good. I know, right? Okay.